grade level is the Philippine map. The children have explored the Philippine map. They got familiar with the different provinces, different regions of our country. Okay. So you're working with the principal rivers. Can you tell us, Russell, what are the principal rivers here in the Philippines?
Magallanes River, Rio Grande, Mindanao, Agno River, Agno River, Pasig River, Bicol River, Pampanga River, Quezon River.
Okay, can you show us in the map where these rivers can be found? Where can we find Cagayan River? Okay, what province? Okay, can you put the tile? Okay, next. How about Rio Grande de Mindanao? And Agno River.